MTTR was currently selling at the price of $18.64 at the time of this recording. MTTR is a stock of a company called Matterport. Matterport Incorporated is a spatial data company focused on digitalizing and indexing the built world. It offers Matterport Digital Twins, a 3D data platform to design, build, operate, promote, and understand spaces, and the company provides the necessary tools to make digital 3D map of any structure that is available, and this helps the customer to create proper security measures or to just create a map for informational purposes. The company offers Matterport Capture, an application that enables capturing depth, data, and imagery of a space using 3D cameras, 360 cameras, and even your iPhones. Apart from that, the company also has another product called the Matterport Workshop application, which helps the customer to customize, add additional details, and share spaces to the captured structure on the map that was previously created using the Capture application. The company also has another application called the Matterport Showcase, which, as the name suggests, is used for audience view and exploring space in its final format, and it has a pretty interesting showcasing user interface. And lastly, the company has Matterport VR to experience the digital 3D map in virtual reality. Overall, the whole procedure is pretty interesting and also very useful for many purposes in the construction department. The company currently has 221 employees. It offers solutions for real estate, photography, travel and hospitality, retail, insurance and restoration, industrial and facilities management, architecture, and engineering and constructional industries. Matterport Incorporated was founded in 2011 and is headquartered in Sunnyvale, California. Well, that's all for the information about the company. Now let's move to the stock statistics of the company. MTTR is currently selling at the price of $18.64, and according to Simply Wall Street, the fair value of the stock is $19.88, meaning that the stock has an average valuation because even though the price of the stock is under the fair value, it's still not significantly less to make it a good value. However, if you manage to buy the stock at this price, you can exit the deal with a target price of about $37, which is a 100% return on investment. If you talk about the returns of the company, then things are not looking pretty good for it. The company has become unprofitable according to Simply Wall Street and other financial websites, and due to this, there isn't enough proper information about the returns of the stock. Moving towards the PE ratio of the company, things are still unknown since the company is unprofitable as of yet, but the PE ratio comes out to be about negative 497.5 times. And if we talk about the PB ratio, it also values in the negative range due to the unprofitability of the company, and it is set in the range of negative 44 times. Now, to talk about the price volatility of the stock, MTTR is more volatile than 75% of US stocks over the past 3 months, typically moving at plus or minus 11% per week, and there is not sufficient data available to calculate the volatility change over the past year. In the matter of the future of the company, we again have bad news. According to different finance websites, the company is expected to go down about negative 10.6% every year. The company is forecasted to remain unprofitable for the next 3 years. However, MTTR's revenue, which is 38.4% per year, is forecasted to grow faster than the US market, 9.8% per year. And that's probably the only good news the company has for the next 3 to 5 years. Even though the company is unprofitable, there's still the fact that this company has grown about 50% in the past 5 years. If the return of equity is kept under focus, then it's in the range of negative 33.30%, also due to the companies being unprofitable. In terms of liability, MTTR's short-term assets, which are $55.8 million, exceed its short-term liabilities that are $31.7 million. Its short-term assets also exceed its long-term liabilities that are $2.6 million, and the company's current market cap is US $5.622 billion. And finally, the outstanding share of the company is currently 301.64 million. Overall, we have no position in any of the companies mentioned. This video is general in nature. It does not constitute a recommendation to buy or sell any stock, and we do not take account of your objectives or your financial situation. We aim to bring you long-term focused analysis driven by fundamental data. Well, that's it for today, guys. We hope you liked the video. Thank you so much for watching until the end, and as always, don't forget to like and subscribe. See you guys next time.